Some water in your boat?
Yeah. Yeah. It's full of poop.
Alright, you ready to go do our chores? Should we go get the golf cart? We gotta feed the chickens. Got 2 groups of meat chickens, 2 groups of American breast chickens, the pigs. Wanna go check on the pigs? Honestly, in this deep bedding system, I didn't sprinkle the shelled corn in it like Bill Salatin tells you to do. I'm not saying that sprinkling corn in there wouldn't help. I'm sure it would help. Pigs just want to root. This was deep bedding for the cattle all winter long. They've been in this side for 2 days, but they've already stirred this up pretty good. We'll give them some more bedding, cover up their poop piles. Stop throwing the grain. Start filling this feeder if you want. Got a problem here. I actually really like these waters because they hook right up to the hose. But for some reason, this one isn't working. It's got 2 nuts here in the spring, and you adjust those nuts. Sometimes I think maybe when they spin it, it gets out of whack. There it's running. So maybe too high. There, see how that works. Did you fill it?
I didn't, and I don't have a spoon.
I don't either.
Well, we are having we're feeding chickens as well. We were feeding chickens yesterday when we were sleeping last night. We were feeding chickens. We were
So there's 100 Cornish cross meat birds in here. They'll spend 2 weeks in here and then they'll go in a fenced in area. 2 weeks in the brooder, 2 weeks in here, and about 4 weeks in the other area. You ready back there? We gotta shut the fence off, remember? Back there?
Yeah.
Did you fall?
Yeah. I don't know how to fit old.
Are you coming in here? What is that goose saying? Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Everett. Did you hear that storm last night?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
No, it's not. I was not scared.
Good. Do you think these chickens are scared?
Yeah, and the cows are scared.
I hope not.
Are you scared?
hope they weren't all scared, but maybe. Yeah. Okay, let's go check their water. You know, I wanted to get a feeder with a top to it, but it rained last night. Their feed got wet. They don't care. They actually like it wet. And the feeder's big enough that it doesn't clog up, so. I mean, if you were putting enough feed out there for a couple days, maybe you'd want to get a top to it. I don't like to do that because they'll overeat, so I like to limit them a little bit. Otherwise, they'll eat so much food, and that's when you have the heart attacks and breaking their legs and not doing so good. Not right now, buddy. Now we gotta go do the American breast chickens, right? Did you collect eggs today with Mom or no? Did you go collect eggs with Mom today or no?
Yeah.
You did get the eggs today?
Yeah.
There's eggs in there?
Yeah.
You got 4? You cleaning out the water? Good job. Okay, check her out. What do we got? Full.
There's a spider.
You alright?
There was a spider!
There's no spider.
That's
Whose chickens are these?
mine.
How many got in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's 3 in there.
Hey, you forgot the food.
Don't put the food out there. They're not going to eat it out there. Right here. Come get the feeder. Go fill it up.
Thanks.
What are you doing in here? It's hot in here. Should be down underneath. So these are Cornish cross roosters. They're actually like 12, 14 weeks old from my first batch. And I've been limiting their feed so they grow slower and don't have any health problems. And I'm hoping to breed them to the American breast hens and hatch out some eggs and slowly come up with my own breed. You got that feeder full? Perfect, good job.
Okay, thanks.
Put the lid on. Alright, we just gotta go bring the golf cart back. We're done.